Celebrate Independence Day with this stunning and delicious Tricolour Dhokla. Soft, fluffy, colorful, and perfect for your festive celebration. Let's make this soft, fluffy, and festive Indian snack together. In a bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour, salt, a little turmeric, lemon juice, and water. Mix everything into a smooth, lump-free batter. Divide the batter into 3 equal portions. Keep 1 portion white, add a little spinach puree to the second, and saffron food color or carrot puree to the third.
Grease a steaming tray, pour in the green batter, and steam.
Now gently pour the white batter. Steam again until the white layer is set. Finally, pour the saffron batter on top. Steam until the dhokla becomes soft and fluffy. For the tempering, heat oil and add mustard seeds, sesame seeds, curry leaves, and green chillies. Pour the hot tempering over the Tricolour Dhokla and garnish with fresh coriander and grated coconut. Soft, fluffy, delicious, and proudly Tricolour. Make this Independence Day special with homemade Tricolour Dhokla. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind!